audit, either certification audit or customer audit. You can perform internal audit before customer audit. Also, it's a good point, especially the customer come in to do assessment. It's not a visit, so they have to assess all your documentation, so you have to prepare. Okay. Then the management review, the requirement you have to prove is the data analysis available during review. You have to prove you have also the minutes. Minutes is a result you record down during management review. Okay. Management review, normally the top management or head of department also had to attend. Okay. And head of the relevant department, they had to present all the result from evaluation, data analysis done. So they present to the top management. The answer to top management, what is the next action for improve? So this is a good point when you certify ISO. Where you do properly, actually the company can grow better. But this one must enforce. Top management, 老板重要. So top management must push, make sure the system in place, make sure the HOD present during management review what's the result of their department and what is the planning action to improve in the future to achieve company policy objectives. Okay, so you have to plan the management review and carry out management review. The management review, you have to view all the requirements as stated on the ISO standard. Later we show to you. And regarding the stated action or last review, we have to review. Okay, the checkpoint is a previous year or the previous 6-month management review result. Is that all close the status? So if this is the first time, then you have nothing to review. You will write down this is the first time, not any action to be taken because no result yet for review. Then you have to include the customer review, the customer survey, customer certification, customer feedback, complaint, etc. So you have to review. You have to review the quality objectives status. Do you achieve? If not achieve, what is the improvement action? Okay. So actually there is the review input. We call it review input. So the next review input is the process performance and conformity of outputs. Means you have to review the inspection result, either the final inspection, incoming inspection, etc. What is the status? Then the process, and you have to review the audit result, internal audit result. You have to review what is the external audit result, what is the customer audit result, and what is the supplier audit result. You audit the supplier. So audit we can break down to 3 types. First party audit means internal audit. Second party audit, customer audit, or you audit supplier. Okay. And third party audit is a certification audit. Okay. So these 4 types of audit you need to review during management review. And if the result not good, then what is the action to be taken? Performance of external providers, the supplier performance. You need to review supplier performance. Then the also resource. Resource can be people, company, production floor, area, equipment, etc. Then you have to review the implementation of the risk and opportunity, the result of risk-based thinking, and the continued improvement, the CAR status. So CAR could be customer car, what is the result? Supplier car, what is the result? Process car, what is the result? And internal audit car. So 4 type of CAR. Right? You have 4 type of car to be reviewed. So the result why not close? If not close, then what's the next action? So the top management must push their employee or department head to make sure all the problem have been solved. Mean the review input not good, then the put review out is the improve. Then the other is you can in fact you can refer to your you have a SOP for this one, MRP04 management. Then there's a one para you have the management review input. So this review input you have minimum. This one is the minimum you have to review during management review. If say item number 4, quality policy objectives, you not review, then you will be issue as the CAR by either internal external auditor. You issue your CAR. Or you forget to review resource needed. Resource need, then you will come in a problem also. So from the child item, minimum child item review input above, you need to write down what is the result, mean the review output. So when you want to write down the result, if the result not good, then what is the opportunity for improvement? Is there any to change to SOP procedure of the QMS? So item number 2. Then you have to consider, is that resource need? Is that because of manpower not enough, or you don't have enough tools, or you don't have enough machine capacity problem, or the work area is not enough? So this one 3 criteria for output. You can choose those relevant, write down the result after review input. And who is the person in charge that the action taken should be when is the commitment date to achieve the action. Okay. So management review. You have to write down all the review input inside your management review minutes. The minutes will show who attend and who not attend. Actually, you need to write down those who attend the management review meeting. Then this result usually circulate to all relevant HOD so that they know their action to be in place. So the review input example, the last year management review meeting minutes, if we are not first time, then the issue raised from the last year are not yet closed, still open. So you write out open. Then why open? Who need to make sure all this result is closed? So the action to be taken, and when is the date he commit to close? Understand? And during external audit or internal audit, the auditor must make sure management have already with the management review Then audit how frequent is that, follow the frequency stated, and you have to make sure the record of the minutes available, and the data analysis also attached, and the view input follow all minimum child items with the output. Output means the result, action, improvement. Okay, then any improvement action can be issued CAR to relevant department. If during management review input found out there is a bad result, then the output could be CAR issued to relevant department for improvement. Okay, management review. So next is the clause number 10. This one the last one. Last one is improvement. Plan, do, check 9, 10 improvement. Improvement action. So important 10.2 non-conforming and corrective action. Okay, 10.1 is a general statement, and 10.3 is continued improvement, means you maintain the performance. Okay, 10.2 is a CAR. So improvement clause 10, when you have a ISO, the main purpose you want to see improvement. Why customer request their supplier or subcon must be ISO certified? Because they want to see their supplier or subcontractor have improvement, so that you don't give them a problem. You don't give a product problem or process problem or on time problem. And improvement can also arise from a result. Then usually, previously the old ISO continued improvement is they call it corrective action and preventive action. Now you call it CAR, but we won't call CAR, we call it improvement, not continued improvement. Improvement means always have improvement. Continue improvement, you only maintain the job. Okay, improvement, company had to find improvement opportunity and implement necessary action. Improve the product, improve the service, reduce negative impact, improve the result of QMS in order to enhance customer satisfaction, support innovation in order to better meet current requirement and anticipate future requirements, implementing corrective action and global prevention, so this is more effective, and achieve the objectives set by the management and QMS, or the QMS objectives. So you need to know the performance. Okay. 10.2 is the non-conformity. Non-conformity 不良 and corrective action, how to prevent it from happen again. So you have to react to the non-conformity and take account consequently. And examine the non-conformity, investigate the root cause. Okay, and search for similar problem maybe happen to other place, then you do corrective action. Then review the effectiveness of implemented corrective action. You have to review the effectiveness and update risk-based thinking if necessary. For those CAR, sometimes during internal audit, you find the problem may be a risk. If you not log into the risk-based thinking, if you need, then you have to put in the risk register of the chart, the table.